Hello, this is John Jumper right here, and this is the stepper motor experiment right here for Raspberry Pi. This is the scratch code 1, and right now how this code works is when I receive a step right, it's going to change the angle by 1. Broadcast GPIO 22 on the Raspberry Pi, it's going to wait for a bit, and then it's going to switch over to the next step, and then to the next, and to the next. That's how usually a stepper motor works. Step, to step, to step, to step. So here's where the fun part is. So when green flag is clicked, it set a delay to 0.005. So then the broadcast of all of these GPIO pins to make the step motor move is gonna move. If the key space press. So when I press the space bar right here, it's gonna move my stepper motor. And then of course there has to be a delay or a wait. So 1. See the lights are blinking. 1. Slowly is going to move. But if I hold the space bar, slowly but surely, my stepper is going to move. At the same time, the blinking LED lights, it's going to let me know that it is moving. This is scratch code 2 for the stepper motor. Once I hold the space bar, it's going to move my stepper motor clockwise, each step at a time. This is scratch code 3 for the stepper motor. Once I press the green flag, it's going to move my stepper continuously, going clockwise. This is scratch code 4. Once I press the green flag, it's going to move my stepper continuously counterclockwise, each step at a time. And this is scratch code 5. Once I press the green flag, it's going to move my stepper like a windshield wiper. And here it goes back, just like a windshield wiper. Doing the stepper motor experiment on Raspberry Pi. Here is the Python code, and I'm gonna run it right now. And it works.